Good.
I'm definitely coming back stronger and faster and quicker. It was a tough process, but I wouldn't change it.
There's optimism in Michael Saul as this 16-year-old pushes closer to a return to sports.
That's pretty good.
February 12th, the basketball game, I was on JV, and like 5 minutes in the game, I did a little jump move and tore my ACL.
Flooded with medical options, the Saul family turned to the sports medicine experts at Children's.
It didn't pop into my head, or our heads, to think of Children's first, but then talk to Dr. Moffat, we're like, why didn't we think of that?
Part of pediatrics is our expertise in adolescence, and teenagers are not necessarily small adults or just younger adults. They're developmentally different, especially for bone and joint injuries. We have to think about open growth plates because operating around them can shut those down early, and then you wind up with long-term bone and joint problems.
Following successful ACL reconstructive surgery, the sports medicine team connected Michael with Justin Blatchford. He oversees sports physical therapy at the Spring Ridge location.
There you go, good. We see only athletes in our clinic is a huge aspect of it. For someone like Michael, these sorts of injuries can be devastating at first. And for someone who's just out of an ACL reconstruction on the table, seeing people doing box jumps, people lifting heavy weights, people really pushing themselves. In general, they want to get to that point. And so then I think there's that inspiration to say, okay, like, I'm gonna get there.
Along every step to recovery, the physical therapy team kept in direct contact with sports medicine to create the most effective care plan.
Having the collaboration between the sports medicine staff and PT and rehab as a whole is second to none, just from the standpoint that you can really fine-tune, where your patient's at from a progress standpoint.
Cool. That collaboration leads to even better results.
Things don't get missed and don't fall through the cracks, and we're paying attention to those little details.
Good job, bud.
When the details aren't missed and they're focused on, recovery really speeds up.
And for Michael, that couldn't come at a better time.
Baseball's my favorite, so it's awesome to know that I'm gonna be able to come back to that. I mean, it's still hard watching my friends play basketball, but it helps a little bit to know that when I come back, I'll be better than ever.